Here's how to fix matchmaking error 3 in Fortnite. First, you need to go to the settings menu in the top right corner of your Fortnite screen and then go to the game settings, the gear icon. Change the matchmaking region from auto to another region by clicking on the left or right. After changing the region, click on apply and then try playing again. This should definitely help you resolve the error. If not, open the command prompt by typing CMD in your search bar. Run it as an administrator. And here you'll see system32 instead of your username. And now type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter in your keyboard. If you see the message successfully flushed the DNS server cache, the command was successful. Now type ipconfig/registerdns and press enter. A message about Windows IP configuration should appear. Now type ipconfig/release. Press enter and this will disconnect you from the internet temporarily. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press enter and you'll see a message confirming that the winsock catalog was successfully reset and that you will need to restart your computer. Now restart your computer and these steps clear the cached IP addresses that accumulate from the daily internet use. And after restarting, your internet should be back on. If you're using an Ethernet cable, it should reconnect automatically. And if you're using Wi-Fi, click on the network icon in the system tray and select your Wi-Fi network and connect to your Wi-Fi. You can also try restarting the router, which may take a couple of minutes. So quit Fortnite and restart your computer or any other device experiencing issues. And after completing these steps, you should be able to play Fortnite without any problems. If you still cannot connect, the issue is likely with the Epic Game servers, possibly due to a large number of players trying to connect simultaneously. So in this case, the only thing you can do is keep trying to join the game. There is nothing else in your control that can fix the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.